Good evening. Welcome to M1's shortened News in English, Hungary Reports. I'm Híradó, bringing you today's news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin. Let's get started. 10 people passed away due to COVID-19 and 858 newly infected were registered in Hungary on Saturday. The data published Sunday morning wasn't as serious as previous days, but it shows that Hungary still isn't over the peak, since there haven't been general tendencies in the second wave yet. For weeks now, though not at a fixed rate, the pandemic indicators have been growing. But it was reassuring at least that the number of patients being cared for in hospital didn't increase. Difficult times are up ahead. Even though we've had enough of the virus, it has been spreading more quickly, Viktor Orbán said Sunday morning on Kossuth Radio. The Prime Minister repeated that the healthcare system has been prepared to withstand twice the number of patients that experts are foreseeing in a possible peak load. He also said that the government debated whether the middle of the crisis was the right time to increase the wages of medical workers, but he supported it especially because of the pandemic. While increasing doctors' wages, the government also plans to put an end to informal payments in healthcare. According to the government, gratuity payments have poisoned the Hungarian healthcare system for decades. Surveys show that the majority of patients aren't paying out of gratitude, but rather out of a fear that they won't receive normal medical care if they don't. And the majority of doctors don't want informal payments because they find them degrading. They want an honest wage, not envelopes. The government spokesperson talked about simplifying tax affairs, helping event technicians, free flu shots, and nursery and preschool admission rules on her social media page. During Kormányinfo Plus, Alexandra Szentkirály replies to questions she receives from the audience. She also talked about the moratorium on debt that is set to continue next year. Churches in Hungary collected Peterspence on Sunday. These donations are a centuries-old tradition offered by believers to the Pope. This year, Pope Francis is using the collected donations to help people in difficult situations because of the pandemic. Last year, churchgoers in Hungary collected more than 167,000 euros of Peterspence donations. That's all for today. Catch the English news every day around 11:20 p.m. local time or stream it anytime online. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Good night.